What is your American dream?
My American dream is really making sure that this country practices what it preaches and make sure that everyone has equal opportunities, fair wages, good housing, things that other countries have as well, healthcare for everyone. That's something that we really need to strive towards because especially now with the pandemic, we've just seen such vast inequalities in our societies. And in order to go up, we need to level the playing field a little bit more, I would say.
Everyone has a right to the American dream. Welcome everybody, it's PopUp Friday. Just by the way, Yo-Yo, your hand's coming in my camera.
Because this is Fri-Yay.
It's PopUp Friday. Just when you thought there would never be another pop-up. All right? Months and months have gone by without popping up.
Yep.
That's when we said pop-up.
Yeah, just to wake y'all up over there.
That's right. Jonathan Yo-Yo Elias.
Residuals.
What's going on in your life?
Jonathan Residual Elias.
Jonathan Residual Elias.
Yeah. Inside joke, guys.
It's our inside joke. Can I announce?
Yes.
Can I announce it, by the way? Congratulations to our very own Jonathan Yo-Yo Elias. He is just signed a contract to be in. They're not paying me, but I'm going to say it anyway. Papa John's national television commercial. You're going to see our very own Jonathan Yo-Yo Elias all over your TV screen.
Yeah.
Eating pizza.
Right? Yes.
Now it's our new favorite pizza place, right?
It
Papa
is.
John's.
I'm always going to be talking about Papa John's, all right? Only Papa John's comes out of this mouth.
So congratulations.
Thank you. All
right, what else is happening? He's a very happy man today.
I am. Yeah. I just got the call.
All right, congratulations.
Yeah. It comes out December 27th.
All right, I will be pinned to my television.
I'm going to send it to you regardless.
Yes, I'm going to be pinned to my TV. Yes. So what else is happening here, Yo-Yo?
I'm throwing a Christmas party tonight.
Really?
So we are going to have fun. Check out the stories.
What are you serving?
Curry chicken.
What else?
Rice and peas.
What else?
Cabbage. Mac and cheese. I'm not making any
mac
of
and
these.
Cheese?
Yes.
That's
I'm not
my
making
favorite.
None of it. Really?
My favorite.
Really? Mac and cheese?
Love mac and cheese.
Ooh.
I've never passed up a mac and cheese.
Really?
I don't think I ever have.
Wow.
Because you want to know why?
Why?
It has the best of everything.
It does.
Okay. Pasta.
It does. Yeah.
Cheese. Butter.
But can't go wrong.
I mean, how can you go wrong with that?
Can't go wrong.
Pasta, cheese, and butter.
You're right.
I mean, everybody's favorite.
Yeah.
And you mix it all in together.
And it's creamy. I like when the cheese is cheesy. I like it crispy on the top.
I'm getting hungry now. All right, that's the end of our pop-up.
All right, guys.
No. By the way, if you don't subscribe, for those who are going to be watching later after we're done live, if you don't subscribe, you would never know about our pop-ups.
Yeah.
Our pop-ups are a lot more casual. We kind of just chill a little bit.
Yeah.
Right? Hang out with the squatties who are our buddies.
It's a little party.
That's right. So definitely subscribe. And next time we pop up, because you never know when we're going to pop up.
Right.
Right? This is a Fri-Yay pop-up.
It's a Fri-Yay pop-up.
Right? And we're popping up early at 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
Right? We missed yesterday.
Yeah.
And let's say hello to Squad.
Let's
see who follows us.
Right.
All of these people follow us, right? Jewel Delft, Squad up. Dip Fab, Cake Affairs. I wonder if Dip Fab can make a macaroni and cheese cake.
Ooh, what?
Yeah. A macaroni, because they make macaroni and cheese ice cream now.
Oh, no.
Did you ever taste the macaroni and cheese ice cream?
Absolutely not, and nor do I want to.
Christy Consali, Squad up. Vitalis Osugwu, Squad up. How are you? Christy saying hi, Brad and Yo-Yo. We're saying hi right back to you. Marlene Watt Russell, Squad up. And Joan Ambitious Powell, PopUp Friday. That's right. We like to say Fri-Yay.
Fri-Yay.
Not Friday, because it's Fri-Yay. All right? The weekend's right now.
Right now.
We started it off. Romana Gardner. Hi, can I ask if I'm here as an overstay visa? Can I apply for sponsorship? My will sponsor me. I guess my employer will sponsor me. No. You would need to either be 245I eligible or have a parent or a spouse who's legal to do a provisional waiver. So you always have to think at the end, not at the beginning, what you can do to get your green card. Mitzi McFarlane, squad up peeps.
Hey.
And people are congratulating you, Jonathan.
Oh, thank you, guys.
Yeah. And Joan Ambitious Powell says, maybe you're an honorary, she's not saying it, but I'm reading between the lines that she's thinking you're an honorary Jamaican now.
Yeah, yes.
All right.
I actually have an authentic Jamaican man that will be cooking all of this tonight. That's why I said I'm not making it.
Do you know what a lot of the Jamaicans used to call me? I haven't been called recently.
What?
A Jew-Macon.
That's actually good.
They're like, Brad, you're a Jew-Macon.
A Jew-Macon.
Not a Jamaican, a Jew-Macon. Yeah.
That's actually hilarious.
Yeah, I've been called that a lot.
A Jew-Macon.
Let's see.
You should actually make a shirt like that.
Jew-Macon, yes. What do you think would be on that shirt? But do you have a T-shirt that says Jew? Jilly says she got me a T-shirt that says Jew-Macon.
Really?
I don't remember a T-shirt that says Jew-Macon on it. But that would be a wonderful. That would be a wonderful Christmas present. Julie's like, now we're looking for what?
I might need to get you like one of those, Rasta hats with like the fake locks and have your face up there like Jamaican.
Jamaican. That would be funny. That would be very funny. What I'm trying to think, like, how else could we, if I was like Nigerian, what would it would be? Jujurian?
Nigerian.
Nigerian.
Oh my God!
I mean, you can go
on. I got
on
a little dizzy from that one.
We can go on and on and on.
That's
a good one. What else is happening here? All right, Jonathan, you gotta take it away.
Absolutely. All right, squad. You already know what time it is. It's time to start sharing because this is a pop-up, and a lot of people don't know that we're popped up because we're about to start schmoozing with Brad, talking on some Fri-Yay headlines, including the election of the first Somali American mayor in the United States and a lost teddy bear who has found its way home.
And by the way, you can call us.
Oh.
That's a cute teddy bear.
It is.
And by the way, you can call us at Spar and Bernstein, 1-800-529-5465. It is also the telephone number right now to get your immigration questions asked and answered. I'm going to give a big hint right now. Because this is a pop-up and nobody knows when we pop up, this is a perfect time to get your immigration questions answered because I can tell you at this very moment, there's a total of 0 people.
Whoa.
And usually by this time, Jonathan, even before we get into our schmooze,
it'll be locked and loaded.
It's locked and loaded. You can't even get, people call 30, 45 minutes literally before our show starts.
Yeah.
But see, we didn't announce the show today.
We didn't announce it.
No. We just said those people who love us, who follow us, they will know. Right?
This is more intimate. It's an intimate
That is
Fri-Yay.
right. Do you remember when we used to do the after hours?
Yes. Yes.
We should do sometime in January.
An after hours.
After hours Bradshaw Live.
We can do that.
But it has to be on a hump day.
Oh. As long as you bring the 1942,
yeah,
I'm down.
We did it once, right?
We did.
We were drunk. We were drinking. We invited the whole
that was
squad,
so much fun.
the whole squad to drink with us, and everybody was just drinking and getting drunk.
That was. I need to go back and find that because I know I was.
It's somewhere. It's somewhere. Maybe we should do that again one day.
That'd be fun.
All right. So 1-800-529-5465. What do you think, squad? Would they join us? Do you think the squad would join us for an after hours in January?
Absolutely, I think they would.
For an after hours cognac?
Ooh.
Or an after hours tequila?
Ooh.
Or wine? Or beer? What do you think the squad would drink?
I think they would drink it all.
You would think they would drink it all?
Yes.
All right, so I mean we would have tea on Tuesday.
Uh-huh.
All right, that's not an after hours tea.
That's no.
Maybe it would be a Fri-Yay even or a Thursday. Wacky World Thursday?
Could do that. We can do that.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out.
Jill is like, no, 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 don't. She goes, I don't know about that. I'm like, I don't know. It's Friday.
Never know.
You never know. All right, you ready to schmooze?
Let's schmooze.
All right, let's do it. Just can't have Ian drinking.
Why not?
Perfect.
I can't.
I'm only kidding. All right, so on, you want to know what? This is a very nice story, Jonathan.
Tell us.
On Monday, Dika Dahalik. You know who she is?
No.
She became the first Somali mayor of South Portland, Maine.
Wow.
And by the way, Portland, Maine is like one of the largest cities in Maine, if not the largest.
Yeah.
Okay. Want to know why this is, besides being a Somalian and an immigrant to the United States, you want to know what makes this really a great story? More than 90% of South Portland is white.
I was about to say, I
Yes.
feel like it would be a lot of white people.
Yeah,
there.
yeah, more than 90%.
Wow.
So Dielik 53 says her election shows what can be accomplished
Wow.
when people find ways to connect with each other instead of putting up walls.
Yeah.
And she says people will always have some kind of reservation, but will get to know you, listen to you, and see you are through that.
That
so
is
she
amazing.
She hopes her election as mayor is going to inspire others. You know? That's a great story.
That
Now, Somali immigrant communities have grown in size and become more established in states like Maine, Minnesota, Ohio, and Washington. And now, Somali Americans are taking roles on local school boards and even serving in Congress, like Representative Ilhan Omar,
Yeah.
of Democrat of Minnesota. Now, according to Seth Goldstein, he's the vice president of the South Portland Historical Society, about 6,000 Somalis live in Maine, thanks to a wave of migration that began in the early 2000s. As a background, she's a social worker. She's also the family engagement and cultural responsiveness specialist for Maine's Department of Education. She has served on numerous boards as well. She's a mother of 3 adult children. So congratulations to Dika
That's
Dahalik.
awesome.
I hope I'm pronouncing her name right. Is
Yeah,
that correct? Dika Dahalik, right? Yes.
My cousin's name is Dahalak.
Dalak.
That's his name. So I
Yes.
think it's probably a thing.
Dika Dalak.
Dahalak.
All right. All right. Wonderful.
That's dope.
Yeah, so in her inaugural address, Dalek pledged to keep an open mind as mayor, listen with empathy, compassion, grace, and understanding so we can serve South Portland together. And the crowd gave her a standing ovation.
I love
I'm going to
that.
tell you something. You know what?
Wow.
I hope one day, I'll tell you, it would be really a beautiful day. I'm telling you the truth. Okay? When we don't have to say this story. Okay? We don't, it does, so a bunch of white people, elected a minority. Like, big deal. It happens all the time now.
Yeah.
Instead of saying, wow, this is like so special because how often does this happen?
Yeah. Never.
Well,
That's
I mean,
never
it's not
happened.
never,
That's
but-
not. When has that ever happened?
Remember we had the mayor from Montana?
In Montana, yeah.
Right?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm saying a woman, though.
A woman, though. No,
Muslim
I don't.
woman.
I can't think of a Muslim black woman elected
that's
by a
deep.
large white population.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
a beautiful, beautiful story,
Yeah.
though. That's awesome.
All right, and by the way, only one call so far. So
Okay.
Salim in Chicago, I'll spend 45 minutes with you if necessary.
Oh,
So call us 1-800-529-5465. By the way, the Army is going to award Purple Hearts to dozens of additional soldiers injured when Iran struck their air base in Iraq with ballistic missiles back in January 2020. Now, remember when Donald Trump ordered the assassination of that general from Iran?
Yeah.
And then Iran retaliated by doing some weird weapon on the Al-Assad air base.
Yes.
And nobody got killed, but a lot of people had post-traumatic stress disorder. In a statement to CBS News, a spokesman said the Army's Human Resources Command, which oversees the awards, approved 39 Purple Heart submissions for soldiers wounded in the attack. Now, retired Captain Jeffrey Hansen, who led many of the soldiers the night the base known as Al-Assad was attacked, said, "It's definitely a sense of relief and a sense of recognition." He was also injured and received the Purple Heart. Why it's important to receive the Purple Heart, besides being recognized by the U.S. government for being injured honorably, it also, the award carries lifetime benefits, including priority medical care at Veteran Affairs hospitals, home loan benefits, and preferences for federal hiring. Some states even offer Purple Heart recipients tuition waivers for undergraduate and graduate degrees. So you get a lot of benefits from getting the Purple Heart. You may remember when this happened, Donald Trump said, "Oh, a couple of soldiers got some headaches, but nobody was injured." And although nobody was injured, apparently 23 of the 59 people who were injured were diagnosed with a TBI, which is a traumatic brain injury.
Oh, wow.
Okay. I'm sorry. And last month, members of this task force told CBS News that they felt pressure to downplay their growing injuries. It was CBS News that basically ran an expose that there were many, many soldiers who had traumatic brain injuries as a result of this attack by Iran. The United States downplayed it. Trump said it was a headache. They did not. They were severely injured, have major medical issues, and did not receive the Purple Heart. And because of the expose by CBS News, all of the soldiers injured now on this air base on that particular attack have received the Purple Heart, which gives them a lot more benefits and certainly recognition by the U.S. government that they were injured and that it was in the line of duty.
Good.
So kudos to CBS News for breaking this story.
Right.
You know, it's why we need investigative journalism.
That is very true.
Meanwhile, a girl lost her teddy bear in Glacier National Park. I'm sure it's not the first girl to lose a teddy bear in a national park. But 1 year later, Jonathan, the teddy bear is back home.
What?
Yes, it's a child's worst nightmare while hiking on a trail in the fall of 2020. A 5-year-old girl by the name of Naomi Pascal lost her beloved teddy bear. Remember, these are Fri-Yay stories.
Right.
Okay, so Naomi and her parents, Ben and Addie Pascal, were walking on the Hidden Lake Trail in Montana's Glacier National Park when they lost the beloved bear named Teddy, of course. And Teddy was just not any bear. Teddy was the first gift Naomi's parents gave to her before her adoption.
Oh.
In 2016, she was still living at an orphanage in Ethiopia at the time. And Ben Pascal said in an interview with NPR, she had Teddy before she even met us.
Oh, look at her.
Okay, so cute. Now, Ben and Addie Pascal had high hopes for the bear turning up in the days following the hike, but it didn't happen. And because they went on their hike near the end of the season, days before major snow was expected, time ran out. And despite checking constantly with rangers and lost and found, Teddy's whereabouts remained a mystery. And the Pascal family had no chance but to return to their home in Wyoming without Teddy. It wasn't until a random encounter the following year, in October 2021, that everything changed. A friend of the family who was visiting the park happened to see Teddy sitting on the dashboard of a park ranger's truck. It turns out that Ranger Tom Mazzeri, who monitors actual bear activity, had come across the teddy bear earlier that year after the snow melted. He was unaware of its backstory, but still felt compelled not to throw it out.
Wild.
So instead, he kept the bear and he put it on his dashboard of his truck. On October 6th, nearly a year after Teddy was lost, Naomi, now 6-year-old, was reunited with her bear.
Oh.
And unsurprisingly, she was ecstatic. Her father told NPR she was excited, so happy, she just repeated like 3 times, "Teddy, Teddy, Teddy." Oh my gosh, this kid's going to be 15 years old and not give up Teddy.
No, I think Teddy's going to stay in her life forever.
Yes, never ever give up Teddy. All right. I mean, think about the deep connection to Teddy. That was her first being in an orphanage in Africa, in Ethiopia, not knowing who your parents are going to be, and they send you with this gift, and that's all she had in her. I mean, other than maybe the clothes on her back, that's all she had in her entire life.
Yeah.
And what a lucky girl she is that she's in the United States now.
That is beautiful.
Apparently with some loving parents, and that's a nice story.
I love that.
That's a Fri-Yay story,
That's a Fri-Yay
right?
feel-good story.
That is a Fri-Yay feel-good story. And lastly, a giant Christmas jumper has been created for a Tyrannosaurus Rex at London's National History Museum.
A Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Yes, the T-Rex is sporting the festive knit, which has been made by a family-run firm in Leicester. British Christmas jumpers had previously produced sweaters for Ed Sheeran and the House of Parliament. The Leicester firm has been making Christmas jumpers since the 1980s. Can we see that picture of the T-Rex again?
How long?
Oh my God!
And they made that?
Yeah. Now the owner, the director of the company said that they've never done anything like this. My dad's never done anything like this, and he's been in business for 35 to 40 years. It's probably the biggest thing we've made, and going forward into the future, we have some other big projects planned.
That is hilarious.
It's 12 times heavier than a regular jumper, and by the way, in 2014, it is the second generation of the family that's making the British Christmas jumper, and it's Bavlik and Chanel. Realized that if their family's Christmas jumper label was going to take off, they needed to help in spreading the word, and they work with a London-based creative consultancy and created the multicultural Christmas jumper, which was popular, gave them a lot of press, and kept the business going.
I'm sure.
All right.
That's awesome.
And now they have a thriving British manufacturer. So the T-Rex celebrating Christmas.
Yep.
Happy Fri-Yay, Jonathan.
Happy Fri-Yay.
Happy Fri-Yay. All right. We're going to do some schmoozing? Oh, no, we did schmoozing.
We did that.
We're going to do some TikTok time. I can't read. Jeez, well, you didn't even drink yet. There's only water in here. All right, in today's TikTok time, I answer whether family members can be sponsored for employment and whether a United States citizen can apply for their mom and stepdad. Let's watch. Well, the short answer is no, you can't sponsor your sister to come help your wife for her pregnancy. The long answer is you cannot sponsor family members in a job, even if it's a job that she's coming to assist, not get paid. It's still considered employment. It's still considered that you would be undercutting the labor force in the United States. Number two, there is no work visa for nanny. You would have to sponsor as in a green card, and that would take years. And if you were to sponsor your sister as a brother to a sister, that would take 15 years. And by that time, not only would your wife have given birth, but the child would probably be in college. So, sorry. If the daughter was under 18 when mom married the stepfather, then the daughter can file for the stepfather here in the United States via adjustment of status, file separately for her biological mother in another country. 2 separate applications. Good luck. All right, Ian, you ready for some meat and potatoes? Woo-hoo. Let's do it. You got immigration questions. I've got immigration answers. Or so they say. Right? Let's go to Salim in Chicago. Salim. Hi, Salim.
Yeah, hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm great, thank you. I have a quick question. I came to United States in 2015. I applied for an asylum case. After like 5 years, I got married to a U.S. citizen. I applied for a green card. I passed also my processing time with 22 months after I did my interview. My interview happened 2 months ago, and I'm already passing my 22 months for the I-485.
Right. But they just interviewed you 2 months ago for the first time?
Yes.
Okay, and what happened at the interview?
Nothing. He told us he need more time to talk to his supervisor.
About what?
But
what did you ask him? What do you need to talk to your supervisor about?
No, actually, he was kind of hard to talk to.
Okay.
Yes.
Did you withdraw your asylum claim?
No. I went to the court, and the judge told me we're gonna put it on hold until you finish your other case.
Okay, so it's just the I-130 that's going to be approved, and then they got to transfer the adjustment to the judge to complete the case then, because you're already in removal. That's probably what's going to happen. So,
Yeah.
so I think, unfortunately, you're going to have a little more time. You're going to get an I-130 approval. They're going to administratively close the adjustment. You're going to ask for the adjustment to be transferred to the judge. When do you due back before the judge?
I'm sorry, what do you mean?
You said you asked.
Oh,
You're in
yes.
removal.
No, actually, I went to the court. They told me to just prepare myself for the next time court, and then COVID hit.
All right, so you don't have a next date to go before a judge yet.
Yeah, they didn't give me a date, actually. They said,
All right, so
yeah.
wait. So what you're going to do is this. At some point in the next few months, you should get your I-130 approved. The adjustment will be administratively closed. You're going to recalendar your case before the immigration judge. You're going to either ask the judge to terminate the proceedings to allow you to complete the adjustment, or alternatively for the judge to complete the adjustment, him or herself. At this point, you just got interviewed 2 months ago, so there's nothing to do but wait. If 6, 7, 8 months goes by, you still haven't heard anything from immigration, give us a call back on our show.
Yeah, just one more question. I know I have to wait 120 days between 1 month. Yeah, but I think that's the rule. What if I waited the 120 days? What is my options? Can I do something?
No, just wait. Unfortunately, if they're violating the rule by a month or 2 months, nobody's going to do anything. So that's why I said call me in 6, 7, 8 months if you haven't heard anything.
Okay. Thank you for your help.
Okay.
Appreciate it. Thank
luck.
you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
All right, let's go to Yonel Did. Is that, am I pronouncing this right? Yonel Drid in Brooklyn.
Yes, I'm here.
How are you?
Good evening. Good. You?
Good. Can you speak up into the phone, please?
Okay. Can you hear me, bro?
No, I don't hear you well. Are you on speaker or are you talking on the phone? Sounds like you're underwater. You're in a submarine.
Let me tell you. Give me a second. I'm going to tell you.
All right, I'm going to put you on hold while you figure out your phone issues.
Okay, I'm good now.
Oh, now we
I'm
hear
good.
you. Okay. What's going on?
Okay, good evening. How you doing?
Good. What's going on?
Okay, I'm gonna be quick with my question.
Sure.
So, I have a ACD is gonna be dismissed on July 27. Can I apply 3 months before for the citizenship?
No, you apply for the citizenship after the case is dismissed. The day after.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you so much.
All right, good luck.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Let's go to Daniel in Dallas, Texas.
Hello, Brad.
Hi, Daniel. How are you?
I'm good. So, I got married on 2019 June. Then I got my TS green card in October 2020.
Yes.
Then my wife passed. My wife died in June of this year.
I'm sorry to hear that. What happened?
Well, she was sick.
Oh.
She was sick. She had kidney failure.
I'm sorry about that.
Yeah.
All right. So you have to remove the
I've
conditions of your residence still.
Yeah, I've put in my I-751 form, but
Right.
I'm skeptical. Like, how long does it take
About 2 years.
for that I-751?
About 2 years. You just have
2
to
years?
prove. Yeah, you just have to prove. Unfortunately, your wife passed, and that you were living with her up until that point.
Okay.
All right. But
Okay.
yeah, it'll still take 2 years, unfortunately.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Good luck. All right. And that's it. That's it.
That's Fri-Yay.
It's Fri-Yay for you.
Fri-Yay.
It's PopUp Friday. Nobody else on hold. Everybody's immigration questions have been solved. I think I've answered every human being's immigration questions.
No.
Yes, I have. Nobody has any more questions.
We do for social media.
No. Well, but I believe that probably all those social media questions have been answered as well.
You never know.
Nobody wants to call us. Nobody wants to call us. Nobody wants to call me. Pum.
I wish we had somebody who can remix, like just throw a beat to that,
Yeah.
remix it.
Yeah.
It could be a song.
You like that song?
I think it could work.
All right. 1-800-529-5465. We'll wait about 30 seconds.
All right.
I did promise seven answers today, but if not, we will move on.
Okay.
The number to call right now, 1-800-529-5. I don't remember having to do this since my radio show days.
No, we've done it a couple times. Not like
Not like
for
this.
real.
Not like this. Let's see. What do you think? Think anybody's going to call us?
I think somebody's probably gonna call just to say what's up.
What's up? They're going to be like, Brad, we'll call you and say hello.
Right.
Right? 1-800-529-5465. By the way, that is the number to call also for our for our law office besides the immigration show. Now, you could also call right now to make reservations for Yo-Yo's Christmas party.
Because everybody's hitting me up already like, I'm coming.
All right, we got to move on to the next part of our show. By the way, if you didn't get your immigration questions answered and you'd like to see more of us, oh, and look at that, Jonathan. All of a sudden, this thing's lighting up like a Christmas tree. Like a Christmas tree. Like the Rockefeller Christmas tree. All right, let's go to Dan in Philadelphia. Dan, just what I was giving up.
Right.
Dan, how are you? Dan?
Hello?
Hi,
Can
Dan.
you hear
How are
me?
you?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
Good. What can I do to help you?
So I'm planning to bring my wife. I'm planning to travel back home and bring my wife. What documentation I need to get to file the I-130 properly? So what documentation I need to gather?
Well, have you been married before?
No.
Has your wife been married before?
No.
Do you have children?
No.
Are you a citizen?
No, I'm a permanent resident.
Okay. So you are going to go. Where is your future wife right now?
In Kenya.
In Kenya. You're going to fly to Kenya. You're going to marry her. You're going to file an I-130 visa petition for her. And what you need to start is her birth certificate, your birth certificate, your marriage certificate, and a copy of your green card. That's everything you need.
Okay. But I don't need like lease statements, right?
No,
Like
you don't
lease
need
or-
anything of that. You're only filing an I-130, and to get the I-130 approved in this situation, you just have to show you're legally married.
Okay.
All right?
Okay. Thank you,
All
sir.
right, good luck.
All right.
All right, let's go to Tanya in Chicago. Tanya.
Good evening, Brad.
Good
How are
evening.
you
How
doing?
are you, Tanya?
I am not that good.
What's going on?
Question.
Yes.
I am trying to get a letter from my husband, and he accused me to run around. What option would I have?
What is the letter you're trying to get from him?
Oh, the letter showed that to prove that we was married and living together.
What is this, to remove the conditions? What are you trying to do?
To get my citizen.
To get your
I've been in the
citizenship.
Yes,
Okay, how long have you had your green card?
almost 10 years. Going to expire 23.
So why do you need a letter from your husband to say you're together? You don't need that.
So that's what Miss Emily recommended.
No. Okay, so you're my client. Hold on. You're misunderstanding. Hold on one second. All right. Let's go to Orlando in Birmingham, Alabama.
Hey, Brad.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, man. All right, one question. I got my work card about 2 weeks now, but how would I get the social? Do I sit and wait on it, or I have to go into the
Well,
office?
it should come in the mail to you, but if it doesn't come in the mail, then go into them.
How long do I have to wait before I go?
3 weeks. Wait one more week.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right. Let's go to Marva in Philadelphia. Hi,
Hello.
Marva.
Hey, good night.
Good night.
I had a question. My daughter, father's filing for her. She did her medical already. How long after she got her green card can she file for her mother?
How did she get her green card?
She don't get it yet.
How?
She just did.
How did she get her? How is she getting her green card?
Her father is filing for her.
Okay, so you can't file as a green card holder for a mother. You can only file as a U.S. citizen for a mother. Because your daughter is getting her green card through her father, she would have to wait 5 years from the time she gets her green card to filing for you as a citizen. Unless she's under 18, then she would become an automatic citizen, but then she would still have to wait till 21 to file for you.
She is 23 now.
She's 23
She
years old
started
now.
filing before 21.
Okay, so
I didn't go in before 21.
okay, so when she gets her green card, she will be a lawful resident because she's getting a green card over over her 18th birthday, she does not become an automatic U.S. citizen, and then she would have to wait 5 years from the time of getting her green card to becoming a U.S. citizen.
Okay.
All right?
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right. Now we can go to Instagram, Jonathan. I answered our 7 questions.
There we go.
And by the way, you can follow us at Brad Show Live on Instagram. If you can handle 1 hour of a pop-up, you can handle 2 minutes of us. Brad Show Live on Instagram. And if you did not get your immigration question answered and you would like a personalized video from me, go to TikTok, leave your question, and perhaps you'll be lucky enough to get a personalized video from me answering it, all on TikTok at Brad Show Live.
And you guys can follow me at Jonathan Elias TV on Instagram.
All right, you ready for some social media check-in?
Let's
do it.
All right, our first one comes from Emma and Collins on YouTube. If I travel on advanced parole, will I be qualified for Plan C or any of the immigration benefits ahead?
Well, we don't know the answers to that yet. I assume that if you travel on advanced parole, that you were taking a short innocent trip abroad, that would not disqualify you from any of the programs that may pass. But I can't tell you for sure because we don't know what the law will be.
My employment authorization document is Category C09, which expires 11/2021, so November 2021. And I have an
It's already expired.
It's already expired. And I have an extension written Category A12 or C19, 180 days. Can I use this for a new hire?
Yes.
Okay. Can someone register and operate a box truck under a New York green light license?
Yes.
Ramona Gardner on Facebook. If I'm here on an overstayed visa, can I apply for sponsorship?
I think I answered that in the beginning. I said if you've overstayed your visa and do a job sponsorship, you would either need 245 or a provisional waiver at the end, so we would need to speak with you.
Okay, Anonymous Striker on YouTube. How long does it take to get a work permit and travel documents after the biometrics? I filed VAWA in June and gave biometrics in August 2021.
Assuming you filed it with an adjustment application, approximately 90 days from biometrics.
Okay, May Weaver on Facebook. Hey guys, I'm married to an American and got naturalization U.S. citizen in November 2020. I petitioned for my firstborn who's in the Philippines in December 2020. USCIS already cashed the check that I paid to them, but I didn't hear anything from them yet. What should I do next, or how long will it take for Homeland Security to approve the petition?
I don't know how long it'll take to approve the petition, but you're a resident, so they are taking about 2 years right now. As long as they cash the check, that means your case is there and processing. That's the most important thing.
Okay, Jamie Mbara on YouTube. Can they deny my citizenship if the DMV accidentally registered me to vote? I never voted. DMV said it was their fault, but they never provided information admitting to it.
It's okay. There's new rules that say if the DMV did it by mistake and you didn't vote, you didn't make a false claim to citizenship, you should be okay.
Okay, and last one, Ahim Bisibwe on Fred on YouTube. I'm married to an American citizen and want to add the kids that I adopted to the list of my children. What information do I need to require for these kids?
You just list them for now. Eventually, you'll have to show adoption certificates.
All right.
All right, you're up, Jonathan.
Yeah.
You're up.
I'm up.
You're up.
Okay, guys. All right, in today's VIP outtake, Brad and award-winning children and middle school author Angela Cervantes reflects on immigration communities in America. I'm not Miss Cervantes.
It's a Fri-Yay. It's Fri-Yay. Well, Jonathan. Maybe we'll just skip that. I think.
Let's go to speed round.
We'll go to speed round. We'll skip right over that. Yeah. We'll see what she has to say on Monday. I think somebody's getting ready for the weekend already. Yeah.
what I'm talking about.
All right, speed round. Let's do it. 50 seconds on the clock. Let's end our Fri-Yay
I'm
on a
feeling
happy
good about
note.
it. I'm feeling good. Ready?
All right, let's go.
Just got my 10-year green card through VAWA. When can I get married again?
Next day.
Can a student on F1 get benefits from the immigration plan?
No.
I'm in removal proceedings. Can I travel within the U.S. with a valid passport?
Yes.
If a spouse withdraws from her husband's I-751, can he file for citizenship?
Yeah, eventually.
Does immigration check domestic flight status?
Really.
Can I travel from the Caribbean on my visa if I'm waiting on my interview and medical date?
You may have a problem with the airport for immigrant intent.
After getting married, what can I start filing for my kids?
By the way, we're still at 50 seconds.
Oh my gosh.
What is it?
After getting married, when can I file for my kids?
When can you file for your kids? Well, you can file for your kids when you get a green card, and you can file for if your spouse can. I'm all thrown off now that the clock is now starting.
Shall we start over?
Forget the clock. Forget the clock. Just stop it. We'll just answer the questions.
Yeah, okay. How long would AOS take if I transfer from consular processing?
Wait, what was the other one?
After getting married, when can I start filing for my kids?
Well, you can file for your kids who are under 18. Your spouse can on the date of the marriage. If they were over 18 at the date of marriage, you can file for your kids when you get your green card.
Okay. How long would AOS take if I transfer from consular processing of an approved I-130?
You don't even have to transfer anything from consular processing. Just file your adjustment status. Take the same amount of time.
Okay, and last, can I get Section 8 housing voucher after prima facie in my VAWA application?
Yes, you can. All right. I think we did that. Yeah!
Yes,
We did it!
we would have gotten it.
We did it! Yes, balloons and everything!
We definitely would have gotten
We
it.
answered 9 questions in 6 seconds. It's reality. Right? We did like cementing of reality.
It's our world.
Yes, in Bradshaw Lifetime.
Right.
In Bradshaw Lifetime, we did it.
All right.
All right. It's Fri-Yay, Yo-Yo.
Let's do it. Comments of the day. All right, y'all. Our first comment of the day comes from Rihanna talking about our after hours cocktail.
What does she want to do?
She said you can drink gin tea for happy hour.
She wants a Tuesday tea happy hour.
But with gin.
With gin in it.
Gin, is it like gin tea, like the Asian gin tea? But she spelled it G-I-N.
I think she's saying tea and gin.
Sounds pretty tasty. I like that.
What else?
All right, and our last comment of the day.
Of course, it would be somebody by the name of Rihanna saying to drink, right?
Right. Last comment of the day comes from Olufemi O saying, hello, God bless you really good for all the wonderful work you're doing.
Aw, thank you very much. Yeah. All right. God willing, we'll all be back on Monday.
Yes.
Right?
Amen.
For Fuzzy Monday. Have a great weekend. Enjoy your Christmas party.
Thank you.
Everyone stay safe. See you Monday. So, Sam, as part of the production, we have to say this disclaimer at the end of the show. Do you mind reading it for me?
Okay, but you know, Brad, I have to do everything around here.
Forget it. I'll do it. The proceeding was information only and not specific legal advice. Consult an attorney about your individual situation. Prior successful results do not guarantee a similar outcome in the future. To make an appointment with the Spar and Bernstein law firm located at 225 Broadway in New York City, call 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. Easy to remember, 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-LAWLINK. Once again, make a call to 1-800-529-5465. And of course, link up with the law offices of Spar and Bernstein, located at 225 Broadway on the 5th floor. If I were you out there, make the call, make the link, make the connection, make it Spar and Bernstein. 1-800-LAWLINK. That's 1-800-529-5465. And now, conveniently located in Hartford, Connecticut on 1 Congress Street. Visit us in Connecticut or in New York at 225 Broadway. That's 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-LAW-LINK. 1-800-529-5465. Ay, ay, ay.